The Aral Sea, located in Central Asia, was once one of the 4 largest lakes in the world. However, due to human activities and environmental mismanagement, it has undergone significant ecological decline and is now a fraction of its former size. Here is some information about the Aral Sea. 1. Geographical location. The Aral Sea is located in the heart of Central Asia, spanning the borders of Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. It is situated in a low-lying basin between the two countries. 2. Historical size. The Aral Sea was once the 4th largest lake globally, with an area of about 68,000 square kilometers, 26,300 square miles, and a maximum depth of approximately 68 meters, 223 feet. It was divided into the small Aral Sea in the north and the large Aral Sea in the south. 3. Human intervention. In the 1960s, the Soviet Union initiated large-scale irrigation projects in the region to divert water from the rivers that fed the Aral Sea. The primary purpose was to support cotton and rice production in the arid region, leading to the construction of numerous canals and dams. 4. Environmental consequences. As a result of excessive water diversion for agriculture and the absence of adequate inflows, the Aral Sea began to shrink rapidly. The water levels decreased, and the surface area diminished significantly over time. The sea split into smaller, disconnected bodies of water, leading to the exposure and expansion of barren seabeds. 5. Ecological impact. The desiccation of the Aral Sea had severe ecological consequences. The changes in water levels disrupted the local climate, causing extreme temperatures and altering wind patterns. The disappearance of the sea had devastating effects on the surrounding flora and fauna, with the loss of numerous fish species and wetland habitats. 6. Economic and social implications. The decline of the Aral Sea had a profound impact on the local communities. Fishing, which was once a significant industry, collapsed entirely. The region faced economic decline, as agriculture and livelihoods dependent on the sea became untenable. 7. Remediation efforts. Recognizing the ecological catastrophe, international organizations, governments, and local communities have undertaken efforts to mitigate the consequences of the Aral Sea's shrinkage. Various projects aim to restore water flow and stabilize the sea, such as the construction of dams and canals, rerouting rivers, and implementing water management practices. 8. Partial recovery. Despite the ongoing challenges, recent efforts have led to some positive outcomes. Through increased water inflow and better management practices, the northern Aral Sea has shown signs of recovery, with water levels and fish populations rebounding to some extent. 9. Current status. As of my knowledge cut off in September 2021, the Aral Sea remains a shadow of its former self. The southern part, known as the Large Aral Sea, has largely become a saline desert, with little to no water remaining. The northern Aral Sea, while showing signs of recovery, is still a small fraction of its original size. It's important to note that the situation surrounding the Aral Sea is dynamic, and there may have been further developments beyond my knowledge cut off.
Thank you for watching the video. To watch more valuable videos like this, please subscribe the woxiwo channel and press the bell icon. And if there is anything you need to know, tell us. I will certainly provide information about it. Okay. Thanks again.